Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add alphabetically number list in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and select Edit PDF option and click on this text box and drag your mouse and select specific text or press Ctrl A, select whole text box. Now click on this number list arrow icon. Here you will find this alphabetical number list, this capital alphabetical number list, and this is small number list, and see this the number list dot number list. This is alphabetically, and this is dot capital alphabetically number list. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.